everyone, Nadine here, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and this is a final reveal of this beautiful Mediterranean spa-like bathroom that I've been posting updates on. I am so excited to show everybody this, and the client also already decorated, so this is amazing. So we're going to show you everything here, and what I want to do is go through where we got some of the items from so everybody can see how beautiful this came out. So we're going to first start with these floating vanities here. So these came from a Canadian company called Theodore, and they're not a custom vanity company, but you can customize things a little bit as far as the door style, the color of the wood, hardware. You can get it with or without the vanity top, which we got it without because she wanted a specific kind of stone look, quartz, and this quartz came from Vica stone. So this is actually beautiful. It goes great with the color scheme of this bathroom. All right, so moving on to the plumbing fixtures. So all of these we got from Ferguson, including the tub, and these are beautiful Luxe Gold Brizo, and the sink fixtures came from there, and then also in the same style is the rain head and shower fixture for the shower. So let's go into the shower here and take a look at a little bit more detail here. So as I showed in a previous video, we have this lighted niche and this beautiful arched niche with a shelf in it on the other side. Now we procured tiles from a couple of different places here in this bathroom because the client had a really specific look that she was going for. So for instance, this accent tile is a wood look tile, and this one came from Tile Bar. And we put the same tile over here on this accent wall near the tub. The lovely stone look tile that we have on the floor here came from the Tile Shop, which they have lots of good choices. So this is really beautiful and it goes great with this bathroom scheme. And then the other tiles that we have are here, these Zalige tiles, and this beautiful herringbone stone tile that we got from Triton, who I work closely with. And as you can see here, actually I want to show you one more thing. So the client had this beautiful stool here, handmade by a local artisan here in up in Spring. So this is a beautiful piece that accent that spa type feel beautifully. So I hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful bathroom and stay tuned for more projects.